Hi, this project is based on customer revenue generation. Basically, we are trying to find if a customer will generate revenue or not for us. So let's move on to the next slide. So what is customer revenue? Customers are the backbone of any modern industry or any business for that. They can lead your business to greater heights if you know how to leverage their participation and interest. Now, customers can invest in your services or maybe products at various stages for their customer journey. And that is what we know or call as customer revenue. Now, these revenue can be actually in the form of one-time sales or recurring revenue. Like for Netflix, yeah, for Netflix subscription, you can say that the type of revenue is actually a recurring revenue. Or let's say if you're buying a car and you're having your down payment for once, so it can be said that it is a one-time sale. So while we are discussing, actually the data set for this project is based on metadata from a shopping site. This metadata was actually stored and retrieved from that site itself, and that is what we will be using for our prediction also. Moving forward, so this is the detail of the project. Now the project is divided into three parts. The first is building a deep learning model to predict customer purchase completion. The second is building a web application that is based on Django framework. And the last is deploying the Django framework application, or I would say the Django framework web application on Heroku. Now the first part is building a deep learning model. So we start off with building deep learning model, a sequential model with three hidden layers, and train that model using our customer metadata, or I would say our dataset. Next is building our web application model. So we will be using Django, and we mount the model that we build in the first part into the second part, that is on our Django web application. Lastly, we deploy this application or web application onto Heroku using GitHub. So now let's move forward to the first part, that is where we are building our deep learning model.